Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set video quality preference on mobile networks on YouTube. Now once you open up your YouTube app, the next thing you do is click on the U icon, which is the last option at the bottom right corner, and then you click on the gear icon, which is the last option on the top right corner, to open up your settings. And then you go to video quality preference, which is the sixth option, and then you tap on it, and now you have video quality on mobile networks. Under this we have three options. You can use the auto, which is the recommended one, and that's because it adjusts to give you the best experience for your conditions, or you can choose the higher picture quality, but it uses more data. And then if you want to save your data, you have to choose the data saver option, which helps to lower your picture quality. So you have these three options, and these three options will help you to set your video quality preference on mobile network. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one, which we put up every day. Thanks for watching.